So we need to prove the following. Let us begin. Now, in order to prove this particular problem, we are going to take the help of a trig identity, sine of 3x, which is given by 3 times sine of angle x minus 4 times the sine of x cubed. Now, we will isolate sine cube x, so we get 4 times sine cubed x, that will be equals to 3 times sine of angle x minus sine of 3x. Dividing both sides with 4, we're going to get sine cube x, so that becomes equivalent to 3 over 4 multiplied to sine x minus 1 over 4 times sine 3x. So we're going to use this formula to simplify each of the three terms. For the first term, we can directly use the formula. Let's talk about the second term. So let's consider the second term. We consider sine cubed 2 pi over 3 plus x. So this will become equivalent to 3 over 4 times sine of this particular angle, which is 2 pi over 3 plus x minus 1/4 of sine of, now we need 3 times the angle, 2 pi over 3 plus x, which will be equals to, we have 3 over 4 times, so let's expand sine 2 pi over 3 plus x. This is going to give us sine of 2 pi over 3. It's a sine of a compound angle. That will be multiplied to cosine of angle x, added to cosine of angle 2 pi over 3 times sine of angle x minus 1/4 sine of angle. So 3 multiplied to 2 pi over 3, that's going to be 2 pi, added to 3x. This will be equals to 3 over 4 multiplied to, so sine 2 pi over 3, that has a value of square root of 3 over 2 times cosine of angle x. Cosine 2 pi over 3, that's negative half, so we have negative half times sine of angle x minus 1 over 4. Now we have sine of 2 pi plus 3x. So sine 2 pi plus theta, so this is equals to positive sine theta, which means that sine 2 pi plus 3x, that's going to become sine of 3x. So this is the simplified form of sine cube 2 pi over 3 plus x. Now let's go to the third term. We have sine cubed of 4 pi over 3 plus x, which will be equals to, so we'll take 3 over 4 times sine of angle 2 pi over 3. This will be 4 pi over 3 plus x, since our angle is 4 pi over 3 plus x, minus 1 over 4 times sine of angle 3 times 4 pi over 3 plus x, which is going to give us, we have 3 over 4. Now we're going to expand this. That gives us sine 4 pi over 3 multiplied to cosine of x, added to cosine of 4 pi over 3 times sine of angle x, minus 1 over 4 times sine of angle 3 multiplied to 4 pi over 3, so that's going to be 4 pi plus 3 times x, that's 3x. Let's further simplify. Now we have 3 over 4 multiplied to, so sine 4 pi over 3, that's negative square root of 3 over 2, multiplied to cosine of x, and sine 4 pi over 3, that's negative half, so we have negative half times sine of angle x, minus 1 over 4 times sine of, so we have here 4 pi plus 3x, so that's simply positive sine 3x. Now that we have the value of each of the terms in this simplified form, so let's add. So here we have negative 1 over 4 times sine 3x repeating 3 times. So let's combine them to get negative 3 over 4 times sine 3x. Now we have 3 over 4. Let's take 3 over 4 as the common factor and combine these three terms. So from the first term we have sine x. Then from the second term, from the third term, we have square root of 3 over 2 times cosine of angle x minus half times sine of angle x. And then from this particular term, we have negative square root of 3 over 2 times cosine of angle x minus half times sine of angle x. Now, square root of 3 over 2 times cosine x gets cancelled out. Similarly, sine x minus half x and minus half x also cancels out. So that means this entire term will be equals to 0. And finally, we are left with negative 3 over 4 times sine 3x. And this is the expression on the right hand side. So we have proved the problem.